You love manhwa, but you don't know where you can read them for free and legal? I will show you 3 websites where you can read manhwa for free. Webtoon is a website where you can read a lot of different manhwa. You can read even solo leveling here. But not all of them are free to read. You can read of almost every manhwa the first 4 chapters for free, but the most of them are behind a subscription. Under Time Till Free, you can read 1 extra chapter for free of a lot of manhwa on this website. But here is also the Binge with Free Chapters manhwas. Here you can read all chapters of a manhwa, but Webtoon has only a handful manhwa in this category. On Tapas, you get also an incredible amount of manhwa, but you can't find manhwa like solo leveling. It's the same like with Webtoon. You can't read all manhwa, only the first few chapters. After that, Tapas asks for you to log in. Under Free Access, you can find a lot of different manhwas you can read without logging into Tapas. After you logged into Tapas, you can unlock these chapters for 72 hours to read the chapter. Webtoon is the last website where you can read manhwa for free and legal. On this website, you have to sign up to read all webtoons on the platform. Here is no subscription needed to read the whole webtoon. The amount of manhwa is just incredible, but you won't find big titles like solo leveling here too. And the best thing, you might not need a VPN to visit these 3 websites.